I'm Freddy Anderton and I'm doing mechanics level 3 course. I chose an apprenticeship to learn new skills and adapt on my prior skills I already have. A typical day in my apprenticeship looks like when I arrive in the morning, I would get everything ready for the day, and then I would go to reception, ask if there's any tyres, because mainly as an apprentice you would do tyres, see what tyres need doing, do the tyres, and then I would see if there's anything else after. If not, I'll go work with one of my colleagues for the rest of the day. When I do on-the-job training in the classroom, it helps, as I've already done, or most of the time I have already done what I'm doing in the classroom. So I already have knowledge and I get add to the knowledge, which I can share with my work back here. I feel like the apprenticeship prepares me for the future to be more open-minded and think more about what other people do in their jobs as well, because people don't think it's as hard as it really is. My career goals when I complete my apprenticeship would be continue what I'm doing now and become a higher tech and learn more over time. If you consider an apprenticeship, the advice I give you would be you have to be keen to learn and don't give up. It can be challenging, but at the end of the day, everyone's here to help you.